Okay, I'm just going to warn you now that I don't have my calculator with me. I've left them both at school, and I'm just going to show you how to do these questions. You can see the answer in the answer sheet, which is also on Classroom. So this question 4B1A wants you to find theta, and remember to round it to 2 decimal places. How do we find theta? Same as we do any of these questions, we start with working out what sides of this right angle triangle do we have to work with. Well, we have the hypotenuse, the one opposite the right angle, so right an H. We have theta here, which makes the 2 opposite, and this side here is adjacent because it's touching theta. So which ones do we have? We have opposite and we have hypotenuse. We do not have A. So is it so, car, or toa? O and H are in so. So. And so means sine of the angle, sine theta, equals opposite over hypotenuse. Now we have to substitute our values in once we get to this step. So what do we have? We don't have the angle, so that stays as theta. So let's say sin theta equals opposite 2 over hypotenuse 4. Now, algebraically, we want theta by itself. We have to do the reverse of the sine function, which on your calculator is usually second or shift sign, and it's a sign with a little -1. That's the opposite sign. It's the inverse sign. So we do that basically to both sides, which gets it off this side. So theta equals, but onto this side, inverse sign, little 1, -1, 2 over 4. So if you type into your calculator second sign, and this will come up, it should have a start bracket. You do your 2 over 4 or 1 over 2. It's a simplified fraction, but whatever you do, just leave it as whatever this is. Just put this in, and it will give you the answer for what theta is. Just double check that your calculator says DEG and not RAD. We don't want it in radians, we want it in degrees. Okay, that was 4B1A.